Welcome to our school ground. My school has a big playground. There are many trees around it. We play various sports there. There are football and cricket ground here. We also play badminton here. It looks very nice and amazing. All students play together on this playground. My school playground will be a memorable thing for my life. Thank you.
My name is Pradnya Mazmukpar. My studying is 7th. My school name is Government MLS Model School, Gurwasur, Saudatti. Want to tell library. A message from the library. I am not a house of stories. A place where you learn to brave and smart. My words keep you fun. My words keep safe. And my heart is full your security. So whip your feet and come on in. I have been waiting all for in every stage story brave day. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Mysore Nangadi. I am studying in 7th standard class. My school name is Government MLA Model School. I am going to the top police station. A message from police station. I am here to help a place where you live is be brave and helpful. My doors to always open her. My heart keep protection. So if in the full you are completely say he come on the where her do you where hours are always on day. Thank you so much.
Good morning everyone. My name is Jyoti Basaraj Talwar. I study in class 7th. School name is Government MLA Model School, Gurwasur, Saudatti. In school bus, I am in a message for you school bus. I am not just I vehicle a place where your school day truly begins. My yellow pen keeps you visible. My high seats keep you and my engine hums with the adventure. So hope of the step take to seat arrived. I have been waiting the garage all height just to pick you up. Your journey starts her. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Kata Amrata. Study in 7th. Please before you the park. Park is an open place to relax and play with people. As the park or walking. I have green grass. My early children love to play. Have people visit me in the morning and evening. Many people exercise. I am
My name is Suman Mustafa Ali Angi. I am studying in 7th class. I want to tell library. I am library. I am not just only a room with book of books. I am the beginning of your journey of wisdom. Who love to visit me reach to top of success. I have a variety of books to save you, such as poems, history, politics, literature, it's try students. If you ask me to get knowledge, I will help you to reach now helps of life. Thank you.